In today's video, I'm going to test and review this very viral product right now, the Zulay Kitchen Heavy Duty Manual Juice Press. One of the things that's making this go viral, people posting about it and then saying what the biggest difference is about a juice press like this, is that it's not such a pain in the butt to clean. There's really three parts to this juice press. This stainless steel bowl, the filter cone, and then the actual press itself. So there's no super small parts that you have to clean. Things don't get really sticky. It's incredibly simple, and spoiler alert, it works very well. If you get to the end of this video, you like what you see, there's a link below, pick one up yourself. All right, but like I said, I'm going to actually test it, get myself a cup of orange juice, and show you how simple this thing is. All right, from my research, it seems like oranges are the most common fruit to be used in this juicer. However, it's not the only fruit I've seen juiced with this juicer. I picked up Cara oranges. I don't highly recommend that because they're super expensive, but the taste is there. There really is no complicated explanation to the process of how to use this. Put your cup underneath, take your orange or other fruit that you want to juice, put it on this filter cone, take your handle and pull down. I'm just going slow so I don't splatter the juice on my shirt, but you'll feel it get a little harder at the bottom, and then it will actually clamp like so. You can wait a second to let the juice go through the filter cone, and then just repeat the steps. Okay, I'm actually gonna pause right here. I don't need a full glass, I've already had a few glasses today, but I'm actually excited to show you this part. So again, going back to the cleaning, this is kind of what you end up with. So I'm actually gonna show you how simple it is to clean this out. Just a little soapy water, and the pulp goes right through the filter cone. Simple process. Another thing I love about this press is it has really big rubber grommets on the bottom, and it's substantially heavy. So this thing's not wobbling around while you're trying to push the handle down, making sure everything's stable. Only caveat I have when it comes to this juice, and it might be the type of oranges I got, but I'm more of a low to medium pulp kind of guy, and this is heavy pulp. So I actually took this and did a little bit of a filter situation. And then there you go. Freshly squeezed orange juice, very minimal mess, delicious. So you saw me test it, you saw how simple it was. My review of the orange juice is 10 out of 10. I love the press, like I mentioned, extremely sturdy, stable, comes in a bunch of different colors. I wish it was maybe $20 cheaper, but it's life. Quality product is gonna be a little bit more expensive. And I understand the virality. Such a low cleanup. Going back to basics, but sometimes simple is better. I think this thing will get weekly usage in our house. Hopefully it was helpful. As always, links below if you want to pick one up. And if you want to see me juice different fruits or experiment with this thing a little bit more, let me know in the comments and I'll make another video. Until next time, see you later.